It's been a tug of war so far. We're tied one set apiece. What happened in that second set win for Ateneo?
Very convincing in terms of the attack points. You can see 17 attack points from Ateneo, while Adamson only had 9, so hindi masyado nakaporma yung Lady Falcons. 3 block points for Ateneo, 2 service aces for both teams. Now, Ateneo has managed to minimize their errors at 7 as compared to only 3 of the Lady Falcons. I think the main thing here, though, Ian, is the fact na hindi masyadong naka-opensa tong Adamson in the second set.
Talagang hindi sila masyadong naka-opensa because no reception sila naman yun, nawalan ng reception, and all the attacks of Ateneo were just, pounding them from the very start of that set.
And what you can see was that Ateneo managed to give them such well-placed attacks. Makikita mo yung variation, soft spike, may malakas na palo.
And the attacks did not only come from Chiesini. You've got other attackers that scored the points. You had Gervasio scoring.
Kainglet now in the picture.
Valdez was also scoring. So, nagkaroon ng different looks itong opensa ng Ateneo.
That's right. To your point, we mentioned that the leading scorer in the first set for Ateneo was just Valdez and Chiesini. But this time around, it's Chiesini with 11 points, Kainglet and Valdez now both with 10 points.
See? There you have it. Short ball. Ooh, that's a... Wow, look at Jem Ferrer win the joust against Pau. Nice set. That's
look at that. Kainglet towering over Patilano and Soriano. And, I guess this is also a lesson for Adamson that maybe, yes, they were successful in stealing away the first set from Ateneo, pero hindi lagi lahat ng panahon na naghahabol ka, you will be successful in actually ending that set.
Wow, parang saying sa isang proverb yun. Parang sa lawi kainan.
Sa lawi kainan.
Lawi kainan. That was Valdez with a poor dig. And we're in the third set of play. The Mikasa MVA 300 is the new official game ball of the Shakey's V-League Season 8. More intense rallies, more thrills, the Mikasa MVA 300. Kainglet hitting it off the block. Ooh!
That one fell in between Gervasio and Lazaro.
That was just confusion between the two of them. And it is this Patilano who's starting this third set. And Makatuno still on the bench.
This Mami Dulce is really trying out the right mix of players, the right combination.
Wow, that just shows you how beach volleyball can help you in indoor. That was a tough angle that Nene Bautista just tipped that ball through, and she got the point in doing so.
Oh, that
nice,
block
nice.
going out.
Hitting it off the block of Mikmik.
Kainglet doesn't fear, the presence of Laborte.
Her former coach, if I may say so. Let's see if they... Oh, no. Good effort, though. Pau Soriano winning that joust. Kalimutan mo na yung nangyari. No. Now you have to focus on doing what you need to do.
Right. And at this point, what's important is for them to win the third set.
Very important tong third set. Service ace from Nene.
Our current matchup in the front line, we have Patnongon, we have Gervasio, Ferrer, or rather Kainglet.
Nice from Gervasio, getting it through the block.
And Binting gets that through.
Angela Binting getting another point, making it 8-4 here.